What is up, y'all? I'm here at the tiny trailer. You can see it in the back. I'll give you a tour in a little bit, but first I'm going to go ahead and look around to see what's up over here. Alright, so I was just talking to the guy that takes care of this area, and he said the kayaks are over here by the lake. He did say that the bonfires have to be kept small and to be turned off. So far it seems pretty quiet out here. Pretty dope though. Lake is just right there. I'm gonna go get myself settled in. I'll give you guys a tour of the tiny camper. Sadly, the lake is just yonder. Well, this is where I'll be staying. It's pretty awesome, more than I expected actually for a tiny camper. Pretty spacious. I brought some of my stuff just in case. Let's see. Cool. Alright, I've got everything set up. I'm going to relax, and in about an hour I'll see about taking the kayak out. I'm going to head to the store because mosquitoes are biting me all over. I forgot my mosquito repellent. Should work. to go out too far right now because I don't know. It's really easy to paddle. It's not hard at all. And then I'll turn around. There you go. Try not to move your body too much. Otherwise you'll tip over. This one's not very wide. Alright.
The U.S. is beautiful.
And then when I do think about leaving the country, there are two things that I've always wanted to go to Spain, to Japan, and then to like the Great Barrier Reef.
Well, that's beautiful for you.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and change so I can make dinner and get this night started. It is a little dark now outside, and yeah, so it's been a great evening so far. Just got back from being outside, gonna settle in, gonna grab my sleeping bag from the truck. What is up, y'all? I'm settling in now. Gonna take a break here and relax. Got my iPad, gonna probably watch a movie. There's a TV screen here, but I don't know if it has internet. If it does, I'll watch YouTube. But if not, then I'm just gonna watch a movie. I just wanted to say that I can't believe a cool spot like this exists only 50 minutes away from Dallas. And so you don't have to go 5 hours away, 3 hours away. That's just a lot of driving for one day, you know, if you're only going to stay at a place for a day. At least that's the way I feel about it. You can still have a great time within, you know, within the city. Not within the city, but a little bit away from the city. And, yeah. I don't know why I'm laughing. Doing these things, for me, is just freeing. I feel free. I feel myself, especially when I'm out in nature, experiencing the sounds of water, the forest, the wind in the trees, the leaves, and then seeing wild animals is just relaxing for me. I get anxiety sometimes when I'm at home by myself, and you know, I feel like I can't breathe sometimes and I have to go outside and take a walk or something. But just something about, I don't know, just something about being out in nature just calms me. Next week's adventure is going to be in a 26-foot Airstream by this gentleman that has traveled the world in 80 days. Can't wait to hear his story. And the day after, on Sunday, I'm going to head out to Sulphur Springs to a private cabin on a private lake. I guess it's like a huge property, and they've got acres of hiking trails and stuff like that, so it's going to be pretty dope to do that, and to look forward to definitely sharing that with y'all as well. It is nice and fresh this morning, and yeah, I'm gonna get up, get some coffee started, and some breakfast. What's up, y'all? Might go on a kayak trip. It's early in the morning, and gonna walk back towards that way. Head out on the lake again. So now I'm on a different kayak. Gonna see how this one rides. Alright, y'all, I'm taking off. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and stay tuned for next week when I kick it in a 26-foot Airstream on Rome with Jim.